Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to see memories on Instagram so you can easily look back at your past posts and stories. Now let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app on your device by tapping the icon from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Tap the photo icon at the bottom of the screen to go directly to your profile page where all your posts are displayed. Step 3. Look for the 3-line menu icon at the top right corner of your profile and tap it to open a list of options. Step 4. Tap on Archive from the menu to access your archive page, where all your past posts and stories are stored. Step 5. Swipe through your archived posts and stories, then tap any memory to view it in full. You'll see the date, time, likes, and comments it received. Step 6. If you want to share a memory with your followers, tap the share icon on the post and choose to share it to your story or send it via direct message. You can also add stickers, filters, text, or music before sharing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more useful tips.